Hello everyone. This is class 12th homework solution of lecture 1 from the chapter 4. In the previous class, we people have discussed that what are modules, what are libraries and how to import modules in a file. So, we discussed the three ways for importing the module. So, I'm just recalling the previous topic with the help of the example. Suppose you are creating data of your class and you are saving your data in a folder of class 12th. In class 12th, you are creating 5 subjects files and with 5 subjects files with different names. For example, computer science, maths, English, chemistry, physics. So this class 12th contains 5 files. It is a folder. So this folder contains the files. So this folder is a package. And if I just say that save this folder in another folder, that is the West Academy class 12th. So this West Academy class 12th, it is the library in which class 12th folder is there. I hope you understand that what is library now, what is package and what are modules. So I had given you some homework. This is question 7 from your book, that how are the following import statements different? Import X, import star from X import star. Part C is from X import A, B, C. So the answer of the first is import X. This X is a complete object. It means it import all the functions from the file X. And if you want to import it, then you have to use this object before the function name. So this import the module and to use any of the objects in this module that belong to the X file. So we will need to use the module name as prefix. For instance, if the module has a function called function C, then it will be called as x dot function C. The next is from X import star. So this star, this is a asterisk. It means it belongs to all. It import all the functions or all the functions that belong to the X module. So this import all the objects from the module X. So we will not need to use the name prefix with any of the object. So if we are using this type for importing of any module, then we need not to write the name of the object. We can directly call the function. For example, here this function C, it can be used to call the function without the prefix name. Now the third one is from X import ABC. Here in this statement, it is specifically saying that you have to import only the object A, B and C. So apart from the ABC, no other objects can be imported. So only the objects A, B, C have been imported from the X module. We cannot call any other object even with the name prefix. So these are the answers of the previous question. The next question is, you have to create a module temp conversion.py as given in figure 8.2 in the chapter. If you invoke the module with two different types of import statements, how would the function call statement for imported modules functions be affected? So I am just showing you the program. So this is a temperature conversion program. In this, you need to convert the temperature from the Fahrenheit and to Fahrenheit to centigrade. So here in this program, two functions are here, that is 2 centigrade and 2 Fahrenheit. They hold a parameter, and with the help of the written statement, you people are able to convert the temperature. And the next is this temp file, this import temp file. In this, I am importing the temp module by two statements. The first one is the import temp. So it will import all the objects that belong to the temp module. And the second one is the from temp statement. With the help of this, we are importing only the 2 centigrade function. So here in this program, the first one is import temp. So in this, we need to write the name of the object before the function name as a prefix. And in the second statement, we need not to write the object name in front of the function. We can directly call the function. So I am just going to run this file and it will show the result. So it will show the result directly because here in this program I am passing the value of parameter. Now I am calling this, so it is an argument. So 10 is the argument of 2 centigrade, and in the next is 1 is the argument to the another calling statement. I hope you understand now. So these are the answers of these two questions. So I will continue the chapter in further videos also. Till then, thank you. Bye.